Hello guys, today we will talk about Amazon Codeguru services. So we have two part in Amazon Codeguru services. One is Codeguru Profiler and one is Codeguru Reviewer. So if we want to associate our source code repository and we want to get our code analyzed, so we can associate that with Codeguru Reviewer service. And if we have a platform where our application is running and we want to check out its latency or performance issue, then we can associate that with CodeGuru Profiler. So let's talk about CodeGuru Reviewer first. So we'll check out the sample CodeGuru Reviewer, which is set up by AWS. So in the demo reviewer, you can see it gives you the information of the lines of code which it has reviewed, and it will give you recommendation. The recommendation can be security related, secrets or other things based upon your code file. The AWS gives you recommendation, like you can see hard coded secrets or credential, which is defined in your this file. So this way it gives you the analysis of your code and how you can associate that. We'll check out that. So just click on create full repository analysis. You will get three options to associate your repository if it already exists and you have associated earlier, and select the branch, and that's it. But first we will see how we can associate it repository. So we have got four options. We can choose Bitbucket, GitHub Enterprise Server, or a cloud, or AWS Code Commit. If you have your GitHub account, you can just connect your GitHub account, click on here, it will just land you up in the GitHub login page where you can log in, and there would be certain exchange of tokens, and then your repository would be associated with AWS Codeguru Reviewer. Then you can just select your branch and associated your repository. So it will start analyzing your code, and it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to create the report, analysis report. So this was about Codeguru Reviewer. If I talk about Profiler, let's see with the demo with issues which AWS has provided. So it gives you profiler. If I talk about it, will give you CPU summary, latency summary, heap user report. It will give you an anomaly and other recommendations on the platform where your application is running. So if you want to visualize your CPU, it gives you the like all the threads of your application, and like what percentage of CPU or what percentage it is consuming. If you want to check out like more, you can just right click to inspect further, and it will give you like the thread details where you can check your uh, the CPU consumption, the actual cost. If you go back, the same way you get a latency summary. So you can see your thread which is in block state, native or runnable, time, wait or waiting. So we can see like this thread, it was first in waiting state, then it got changed to runnable state, then native state, and then accordingly it shows the color option. So same way you can click, right click, and you can inspect more. You can see like the child and parent threads, and you can analyze uh, your exact thread level issue, and based on that the Amazon will also give you some of the recommendation. Same way you will see your heap user stat like this. So it will give you like exact module name in which is causing your memory leak issue. So you can just analyze here in with this report you can get an idea that which is your actual object which is causing your memory leak. Okay, so other than that it will give you other recommendations. So today we'll see that how we can integrate our JVM platform with CodeGuru, and what are the steps which is there when we try to integrate that. So let's start with that profiler thing. So first we have to click on create profiler group. We can name it like demo beanstalk. You can analyze lambda, but here in case we have uh, apart from lambda we have other services, so we'll go for the other option and we'll click on create. So once you click on create, now it will give you a setup instruction. So first instruction is you have to give permission. So if you click on this, you have to add that which resource you want to give access to CodeGuru profiler. So it will change its policy and role automatically so that it has all the access to to get the stats and analyze it. So once we have given the access, then we'll start the agent process. So it is saying to download the jar file. So once we click on download, it will start downloading the jar file, and then you have the JVM argument which we have to associate with JVM. If you have your custom code, you can still run the jar file. Like suppose you have a Java code running like that, then it gives you like process how we can import this jar file, and you can able to connect the stats and for the profiler thing. Same way you have other code uh, coding language, you can associate this jar file. So let's just wait. Once it gets downloaded, then we'll proceed with the profiler thing. So guys, we have downloaded our jar file. So we have already a beanstalk environment I've created for demo purpose. If you want how to create a beanstalk and more info on that, you can just refer the video. So we'll quickly go to the configuration page where we would be putting the JVM option. So you can click on edit. You can copy this Java agent from this tag to true quotes. You can leave your Java option because it's already JVM, so you can place that Java option right here. And this is our corresponding EC2 machine. So I've copied this IP, I've opened it on in SCP already, and we'll copy our CodeGuru profiler jar file over here for demo purpose in temp. So let's check in temp. So let's check in temp. So yeah, we have our CodeGuru profiler jar. I'll give the executable permission just for safer side, and we'll also give the same path over here for where our jar file is placed. So I'll just give temp, and that's it. So we'll click on apply. So now we'll see that our Tomcat will have that jar reference once it gets saved in Beanstalk. So as you can see, it is updating our environment. Okay, let's see if our Tomcat has the property. Yes, so now you can see it has added this Java agent argument. Earlier it was not there. So that means our agent should be connected. Now we'll go to CodeGuru dashboard, and you can see the agent has been contacted now, and we'll just wait till it's get uh, these two stages so that we can have our report. So according to AWS, it takes around 15 minutes to have the report ready. So let's So guys, as you can see, the status has changed to profiling, and after a few minutes we would be able to check our reports. So guys, we have our report ready now with the profiler, and we can see CPU latency summary over here, and it will keep on increasing as we use our application. So again, I want to show you, if we go to profiler go, this is the one which we created. If we go inside that, we can see our summary. Thank you guys.